Welcome to the ultimate outdoor adventure destination, R2 Unit Royal MAPS. Crafted with boundless creativity and safety as our top priorities, R2 Unit Royal MAPS offers an unparalleled play experience that sparks imagination and fosters exploration in children. Prepare to embark on a journey of discovery as children conquer the rugged terrain of the Roto Cliff Climber, navigate the twisting paths of the Roto Jumble Climber, and zoom down the exhilarating Roto Spiral Tunnel Slide. Watch as friendships are forged and memories are made on R2 Unit Royal MAPS, where every climb, slide, and adventure brings joy and excitement to young hearts. Crafted with safety and comfort in mind, our Swing with Rubber seat offers a thrilling yet secure swinging experience that kids love. Watch as children soar through the air with laughter and joy, enjoying the smooth motion and gentle bounce of our rubber seat swing. Introducing our outdoor playground equipment, the X&O Game Edition. Watch as children strategize, laugh, and learn as they take turns placing their X's and O's on the board, encouraging critical thinking and teamwork in an exciting outdoor environment. Crafted with excitement and safety in mind, our Roto Jumble Climber offers kids a thrilling challenge as they navigate its twisting and turning paths. Watch as young adventurers conquer obstacles, build confidence, and foster friendships while exploring the twists and turns of the Roto Jumble Climber. Crafted with durability and creativity in mind, our Square Desk Assembly offers young minds a space to explore, create, and learn in the fresh air. Transform your space into an inspiring hub of creativity with the Path Square Desk Assembly. Introducing our thrilling Net Rock Climber, the ultimate challenge for adventurous kids. Crafted with safety and excitement in mind, our customizable Net Rock Climber provides a thrilling yet secure climbing experience that kids love. Introducing the innovative Roto U-Gate Canopy, crafted for both style and functionality. Roto U-Gate Canopy offers shade and protection, enhancing the outdoor play experience for children. Watch as young climbers navigate the intricate ropes and conquer the heights of the Net Rock Climber, building confidence and coordination with every ascent. Crafted with safety and joy in mind, a merry-go-round offers young adventurers a whirlwind of excitement as they spin and laugh together. Elevate outdoor playtime to extraordinary heights with our 2-Unit Royal MAPS. Contact us today to bring the magic of play to your community.